Hello, today I'm going to show you all about YouTube Tracker and what you can do from viewing videos from a keyword to getting some basic information off those videos, all the way to looking at a couple trackers that we have that are public trackers and getting some analytics off of that, as well as some features that are going to be coming to YouTube trackers. So I'm in the YouTube trackers, which is vtracker.host.ulr.edu. And on the homepage, you're going to just see some general information about what you're going to be able to do with YouTube Tracker. But the first thing you're going to need to do is log in. You can do that by clicking Start Tracking or the Login button up at the top on the navigation. If you don't have an account, you can register now for a new account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in with my account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page where you can search your YouTube videos. To start with, it's just going to give me some videos here that I can search through. But if you're wanting to actually drill down to a specific keyword, you're going to put that in the search box. So today I'm going to search COVID, and I'm going to hit enter. And what this is going to do is going to pull all those videos that are in YouTube that have that specific keyword. Now I can narrow down these results here if I want to narrow them down. Over here by the sort by, there is a drop down menu. And so I can actually go and see relevant today, this week. So there's different things that I can pick. So if I want to know what was posted today, I can actually click today. And this is just going to pull all those videos that have the term COVID for today. You can go over and switch your view to a list view, or you can do a grid view. So now as you go through the videos, if you scroll, you can hover over a video and it's going to tell you how many views that video has, how many likes, dislikes, and comments. You can also see how long the video is here at the bottom corner and click the video and watch it in our actual application without going to YouTube. So you can do everything you need to do right here from YouTube trackers. So you can add videos to trackers or create a new tracker. Please note we are still working on this feature. So we've actually, when you create an account, we have a couple public trackers that you're going to be able to see. So if you went ahead and added it to an existing tracker in your account, or if you created a new one, you're not going to see any data or information on that. But that is a feature that we are currently working on. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to take you to those trackers that we have that you would be able to use. So my account has many trackers because I'm in the Cosmos account, but you're going to see there's two in particular here that say public, COVID keywords and COVID disinfo. These two trackers are public and you'll be able to view these if you have your own account. The first one I want to show you is COVID disinfo. So this particular tracker has 63,275 videos and 2 channels. And if I click this tracker, it's going to take you to the tracker information page for this particular tracker. And as you scroll, you'll see all the videos that are in the tracker if you want to know what's in here. But you're going to see something particular here. There's a very colorful tracker and each one has different colors. This is actually a generated barcode from the video, and this is to have an instant view of the entire video. A feature that is going to be coming in the future for this is where you can compare them and detect similarity between videos. So right now we're just displaying the barcode, but note this is going to have more functionality in the future. If I go back to the trackers and I go down to analytics, that's going to bring me up to the dashboard for this tracker. And note, currently we only have data for this particular tracker from May 5th, 2020 all the way to May 30th, 2020. And it's going to give me information about how many videos, channels, views, subscribers, likes, dislikes, and comments. I can say I want to see daily, and that's going to give me this posting frequency for the daily posts that we have. I can do weekly, same thing. If I hover, it's going to tell me the weekly post, and then I can go back to monthly and see what the monthly post was. Posting frequency details page is only going to display data currently if you have channels in your tracker. So this one that I've started with actually does have 2 channels. One I'm going to show you in a little bit does not, so we won't be using that page. So just know if you go to posting frequency and you're not seeing information, it could be because you don't have any channels in the particular tracker you're looking at. So now I'm going to go to the posting frequency details page, and this is going to give me that information on the channels. So as you can see here, we have 2 channels, and this is going to be giving me the individual channel posts. As you can see, there's actually more data in here because this channel has posted other things besides what we may be tracking for COVID. I can also click the other channel and compare the two. So as you can see, the Next News Network actually posted a whole lot more than the other channel that I'm comparing. As I scroll down, it's also going to tell me the total videos, total views, comments, and the top location. And then as you can see, the category distribution for this particular one is entertainment, and entertainment was the category. So there was 2,900 videos that were actually in this category. So as you scroll down, you're going to see the channel location distribution. The videos here were all posted from the US. And then the last thing you'll see is the channel details about how many subscribers each channel has. So as you can see, the Next News Network actually has more subscribers, more posts, and more views compared to the other one. So now I'm back on the main dashboard, and I'm going to go down, and next is going to be the total keywords for the tracker. The bigger the keyword in the word cloud, the more that it was used. And the next thing we're going to go into is the content analysis details for this tracker. On the content analysis dashboard, the first thing I'm going to see here is that the leading language description was English. The leading category was entertainment. But if I click entertainment, as you see, it's actually going to give me all the categories. So entertainment was just the largest, but we can also see we have film and animation. News and politics was second. People and blogs, sports. So that's going to just give you the category distribution. Next is the leading opinion. Most of these are positive. And the last thing you're going to get is the leading keyword, which is channel. Now I'm back on the main dashboard, and I'm going to scroll down, and the next thing we're going to see is the video daily views. And I'm going to go into content engagement details. Now I'm on the content engagement dashboard, and the first you're going to see here is views. So this navigation here on the left is actually going to change the information that you see below. So as you can see right now, you're getting videos ranked by views. You can watch the video here. You can also see some information about the video. And if I scroll down, then you're also going to see the videos that are actually in this tracker with the views, likes, dislikes, comments, and commenters, which are also sortable. But if I scroll back up on this dashboard, and let's say I want to know about likes, if I click likes, you're going to see that this line graph changes here, and it's also changing the leading video and the category and the language. But now it's going to give me the videos ranked by likes. So the first one, the highest one here is this first one, and then you can scroll through and watch it in the dashboard. Same thing with dislikes. If I click dislikes, it's going to do all those videos ranked by dislikes, as well as change the line graph and give me the leading video in the category in the leading language. So this particular one is actually in Russian. If I scroll down the top one here, and I can view it. Next is going to be comments. So comments is going to also change. So each one of these that you change is going to change those video rings. So this is going to let you deep dive more into different videos if you're more interested about which one has the more views, which ones has more likes or dislikes. This dashboard is where you're going to get that information. Next, back on the main dashboard, we have our social media footprint. So that's going to give you the footprint of all the social media channels from YouTube, Twitter, Google, and Facebook. So now we're going to go back to the trackers, and I want to show you the other tracker. So now I'm back on the tracker page, and we're going to view the other public one we have, which is COVID keywords, and go to the analytics for this tracker. So now I'm on the COVID keywords tracker dashboard. And as you can see, you can filter again by daily, weekly, monthly. If you did have yearly data in the particular tracker you're on, you would also be able to filter by that. This one has no channels, but I'm going to see the same information like I did on the previous tracker that I just showed. So here's my posting frequency. I'm not going to go into the posting frequency details page on this tracker because I don't have any channels. So scrolling down, so this one's very interesting to me on this tracker. So this is the COVID keywords tracker. And as you can see, coronavirus, COVID-19, news. So the keywords on this one's a little bit different than the last one I showed you because this tracker is actually doing more of the COVID keywords. And next I'm going to go into the content analysis details. And so I can see that the language distribution is English. The leading category here is news and politics. And then entertainment actually comes second. So this one, compared to the other tracker I just showed you, has more news and politics for the category distribution. The leading opinion is positive, but as you can see, there is some negative here in neutral opinion on these videos. And then the leading keywords is news. So now I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of this dashboard. As you can see here, we have our video title, our categories, the description language, and then the opinion distribution. So blue is neutral, green is positive, and red is negative. Same things with likes and dislike distribution. Green is positive and red is going to be negative. So you can see what the opinion distribution compared to the likes versus dislikes distribution on this dashboard. So going back to the video's daily views, I can see the daily views here for this tracker, and I'm going to go into content engagement details. And now I'm on the content engagement dashboard. So same thing as the other tracker, I have my views and I have the video that is higher ranked by the views. And also down here are the videos that are in the actual tracker. You can also search if you know the particular video you're looking for, you can search here to find it faster. And then going back up, this is going to be just like I showed a little bit ago, where you can click and see the likes in the videos that are ranked by likes, comments, and commenters. The last thing on this main dashboard for this tracker is the top related videos. So what this is going to do is give me videos that are related to the videos I have in my tracker, and it's going to tell me that it's related to 3 of my videos from this particular one. I can actually click this video also. It's going to take me to YouTube where I can view the video. And then if I wanted to add it to this tracker, it would let me here add it to the tracker when we have this feature available. So that's the overview of YouTube trackers and how to view live videos and get information on the live videos, all the way to the public trackers that we do have available if you already have an account or if you create an account that you can test out. We are excited about the new features that will be coming soon to YouTube trackers, and we will also have other tutorial and use case videos on different trackers that we are using here at Cosmos.